Hello everyone. If you wanted to know how you can download Delta Force on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play Delta Force on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Google Play Games. You're going to click onto play.google.com here. You're going to click on download on PC here. Download the software up, and once you're done downloading, install it. And after you're done with the install, open Google Play Games on your computer. You'll need to log in your Google account first. And after you're done with the logging in, you're going to click onto this Explore icon here. You're going to search for Delta Force. Here it is. You're going to click on it. And then you're just going to click on Install here. And then it will start downloading on our computer. So just wait for it to complete downloading and installing. And once it's done downloading, just click on Launch here. And once you're here, you'll need to log in with your Google account. And after you're done logging in, just agree to their terms of service. Click continue then. And here we are. You'll need to download their other game mods before you can play them. So just go ahead and click on download here, and it will ask you where you want it to download. Set the download location, and then it will start downloading. So once it's done downloading the game's files, then you can go ahead and play the game on your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.